Weather conditions remain dry, so Jonathan is rolling ploughed land to crush clods and firm up the surface in preparation for subsequent cultivations. He's using a recently acquired Mercedes-Benz MB-Trac 800 on the 9-metre Hunt Manifold rolls. Fitted with wide tyres, the MB is a good choice, and its front axle suspension is working hard to cushion the ride over the hard-baked lumps of soil.
So here we are, we're rolling with the MB-Trac 800 with the Hunt Manifold rolls. You'll see we've got the 726 tyres on here, the Nokias. They were kindly loaned to us by Richard Abbott of Lanquip. He's got a little MB that he uses in the yard that's got 3 sets of wheels. That's just used for shunting stuff around the yard, so I did ask if we could borrow those, which he kindly said yes, so you'll probably see these again a little bit later in the year once we've got the drilling done. So it's a really lovely period setup. This is the land we flat lifted with the versatile 946, so consequently where it's broken up and busted, it's in some lumps, but it's dry and it's fractured and sort of fissured quite well. It's a little bit cobbly on top, so we're sort of scrabbling and climbing over the lumps a bit. That's lovely and smooth because we're sat in the middle of the tractor. Not all the sweat. If you were sat over the rear axle, you'd really feel it, but it's keeping in good contact with the ground and it's pulling them really well, just running at sort of 1650, 1700 RPM. We're travelling at 4.5k. Yeah, going really nicely actually, really nicely. Doing a very good job. We could get the press in here and knock it about, it'll go well.
The little MB-Trac was new in 1987 in Norway and was imported into the UK last year. Its 4-cylinder 3.8-litre engine has been fitted with an aftermarket turbocharger, hence the whistle, and produces around 85 horsepower.